We are here at NAB Show New York. It's been 3 years since we connected with product experts, discovered alternative workflows, and were able to get our hands on recently released products. Maximizing efficiency is the end game, and there has never been a better, more intimate environment than right here in the Big Apple. Ashley with InBroadcast, joining me is Philippe of Newsbridge. Hello.
Hi, Ashley.
Great seeing you. So can you tell me, how is Newsbridge's AI technology helping broadcasters to make real sense of their metadata?
So let's first understand what are we calling AI technology. There's two kinds of AI technology. There's traditional monomodal AI technology and there's multimodal AI technology. So AI technology today is mainly monomodal, meaning that it can detect nearly everything, but it doesn't really detect what matters. So let's take an example. Let's take a picture of us. Traditional AI, we detect the mic, we detect you, we detect my glasses, but no one cares about that. What people care about is this is an interview. And multimodal AI technology will look at, this is a mic, we are two people, don't care about my glasses, I'm speaking, this is an interview. So it's merging, it's data fusion, merging all data points to really detect the semantic context. And obviously that's what people are looking for. I'm not looking for illustration of a mic or glasses. I'm looking for interview where something has been said. And our AI is really speaking the same language that humans and editors and journalists used to speak. So that make data really searchable in their own traditional way without having to change how they used to search.
And we all know how important it is these days to be first to publish. So how is Newsbridge speeding up post-production workflows?
So being able to be the first to publish is very important. You can double your audience if you're the first to publish a news or a story or whatever. And for that, you need to be able, as a journalist, to understand very quickly what matters in content. When you are working in a live environment, you have maybe 1,000 live streams that are incoming to the station. And you cannot have 100 people looking at each individual live stream. That's not possible. So that's how AI is helping. So in our platform, we're recording all AI, all streams, and we're detecting, thanks to our multimodal AI, everything that is happening in the stream. And journalists get notified when there's something important they should see. And in those 100 streams, part of them, maybe half of them, there's nearly nothing inside of it. So AI is very good to detect where there's nothing, but it's also very good to detect where there's something relevant. And that's how it is possible to be the first. It's to be notified and to know to be the first to know that there's something on this stream. Okay, I should do something right here. Whether it's a political speech, some sport event, demonstration or whatever, AI is here to be able to detect what's relevant in real time.
And what do you think is the biggest challenge right now for media companies in managing their archives?
So, following to the first question is, we see that 100 live stream. So those live stream of today are tomorrow archive. And when you have 100 live stream, you don't take the time to index everything. So you will maybe store everything in an archive, into a hard drive or whatever, but this value and this potential won't be indexed. If it's not indexed, it's like trashing your content. There's no way, it's silly to keep it if it's not indexed. And this important thing is that today, lots of archive is being indexed manually or with very cheap, poor AI technology. And that means that now to be able to use this archive, both on the editorial perspective or on the monetization perspective, it needs to be indexed. And once it is indexed, you can dream of making new revenues based on your archive, whether if it's by reselling the content or it can be also just by accessing the content from editorial team. And we have these figures is that every hour stored in an archive over a year will generate among hundreds of dollars of revenue. So let's say you have an archive at 10,000 hours, that means you can make $1 million in revenue. So that's huge, and you just need AI to do that.
Right, definitely. And what can you tell me about Newsbridge's future plans?
So in the future, and this is something very important, is we're keeping a lot investing into research and development. Why that? First, there's the goal of having the best AI quality indexing in the market. Even if we have 1 million hours stored for our customer, able to find this content within 2 seconds. That's constant research and development, and there's something also very important is that we need to make sure that AI algorithms are affordable so that we can index massive amount of archive. It's affordable means that you need to save energy, because energy is money, and it brings also the sustainability topic. And if we manage, and that we are working on, to really reduce the impact of the energy you need to run 1 hour of processing, that means that it saves money for the customer, and it saves also energy and carbon footprint for the planet.
Well, thank you so much. That was very informative. Always a pleasure speaking with you, and I hope you have a great rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you.